What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to keep this intro quick and simple because the whole point of the video today is simple. So it's a Sunday. I'm hitting the lake. It's still super early, as you can see outside. Kira's with me today for the first time this year, and she's not as excited as me. She's currently putting down some oatmeal, wishing she was still in bed. But we're going to head out to a small lake, try and get into some bass. Today's the 14th of May, so right smack dab in the middle of the month, and I'm currently sitting in number 8 for my monthly online tournament, and I'm hoping to get into some upgrades and push myself on up the ladder. So I'm doing a single camera shoot today. I'm gonna have this one on my chest, and that's all I'm gonna film with today. Super simple, and try to just give you guys a short video that is hopefully full of action. So without further ado, I will see you on the lake. Kira, you excited? Yeah, you are. 2 seconds ago, she was jumping around dancing. It's her first day out on the kayak this year. She got the frog hat ready to rock.
I want to hike.
We'll go hiking soon. The old pro angler's ready to go. What do you say? Let's hit the water?
Sure.
Okay, let's hit the water. That feels like a good one. Guys, I'm on one. It feels good. Nah, it's kind of small. Man, it felt good when it hit, though. By God.
I want it.
What do you mean you want it?
I want to put it in my little fishy area.
No, you can't keep it.
I want it.
No.
Can you, like, at least see how much it is?
You want me to see the length?
Yeah.
It's pretty short. He'll keep his mouth closed. He is 9.5 inches.
Wow, I thought he would be at least 5.
Oh, look at that. I got my frog all the way up in that tree. I may never see that again. All right, guys, it's been a while since I caught that first fish. What I've done is circle back around to the same area, and like the other day, I don't think you can see them because I can barely see them. There are bait balls all up in here. So what I'm doing is just like the other day, I'm taking my spinner bait and working around the bait balls. And what I'm trying to do, first thing is I'm using a spinner bait that mimics these bait fish. But what I'm trying to do is make, I just pissed them off. I'm trying to make my spinner bait look like the easiest target, most desirable target in the area of the bait ball. So that the bass, instead of eating the actual bait, will be fooled into striking my spinner bait. Kira, say hi.
Hi.
No, like wave hi to the camera. Dora the Explorer over there. Another one on. Another small one.
Oh, he's much bigger.
It's another small one, but it's a fish. And we'll take it. All right, well, hurry up and get over here because I want to put him back. He's just a tiny little fella. Kira wants to see him. See?
He's actually much taller.
He's smaller than the other one.
Yep.
There he goes. But I don't know why I ever throw anything other than a spinnerbait. I swear, the vast majority of my bass come on a spinnerbait. This one's a Dobbins Beast.
in, I think they call it white shad and green chartreuse. I think that's what this one's called. Alright guys, we're taking a little bit of a trek back into this finger. I'm still the only boat out here. I'm shocked by that. Kira's complaining about her hair because she fell in. It's good for her, builds character. But anyway, we're gonna cruise around this corner. I've got 2 fish in the boat, both very small. I'm still sitting in the top 10 for the online. I believe I'm still in 8th, but I'm still in the top 10. But I am looking for some upgrades. This little fella hit it right by the boat. Didn't even have time to turn on the camera. Just a little crappie. This bait's too big for you, buddy. Kira, I caught a little crappie. Hurry up. Kira requires all fish to be inspected by Kira before they return to the water. A pretty little guy. I had just turned off the camera and there's another one. You want to let it go?
No. I don't want him to let go.
All right, everybody. We're out of the water. Gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Like I said, I was gonna keep it short and sweet. Came out with Kira, caught a couple fish. Mostly just excited to get her out on the lake for the first time this year. She had fun, even though she didn't want to get up early this morning and didn't want to go on the lake. She had a good time. Except for that part where she fell out of the kayak. And man, I wish, guys, that I had the camera on. Like, of course that would happen on a day when I'm doing a 1-camera shoot and I didn't have the 3rd-person view running. I didn't even have this one on. So definitely didn't get the fallout, but it was pretty funny. I'm entertained. So we're gonna wrap this thing up. Happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there. Hope you all have a good day. Tight lines. Catch you on the next video.